Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Ground-level ozone questions get people fast, but this one is quick if you compare damage fairly and focus on which species was most affected. Start by spotting what the question really asks. Not just which plant has damaged leaves, but which species was most affected. So we need a fair comparison across the table. That means using the value that normalizes the number of damaged plants, because raw counts alone can mislead when species appear in different amounts in the surveyed area. Once you compare those normalized values, wild grape comes out highest, which means it was the most affected species, and makes option D the answer. Well done! Option D! Scan now. Don't rush raw counts. Trust the given data and check each step so the fairest comparison leads you right.